Here the directions say choose the linear inequality that best represents each situation. So we are given two word problems and we have to figure out which linear inequality best represents the situation we're given. So here it says PM is buying school supplies. Each pencil, which is represented by the variable X, cost 25 cents. So we know that somewhere in our linear inequality, we're going to have a 0.25 X. So I would write that down. That's what this is telling you. It's 25 cents per pencil, and we're representing pencils with the variable X. Then it says each notebook, which we're going to represent with the variable Y, cost $1.15. So we know somewhere in our inequality, we're going to have a 1.15 Y. So write that down too, because that is what the problem's telling us. It's $1.15 per, remember per is like that multiply word, notebook. So 1.15 Y. Which linear inequality could be used to determine the number of pencils and notebooks? That word and means we're going to be adding the pencils and the notebooks together. She can purchase if she wants to spend no more than $5. So that no more than means that our inequality is going to have a less than or equal to symbol in it. The price per pencil plus the price per notebook, when we add them together, it could be no more than $5. So from reading the problem, this is what we have. We have 0.25 X, so it's 25 cents per pencil, plus, because this word and here means we're adding, 1.15 Y, because it's $1.15 per notebook, can be no more than, so this total of money has to be less than or equal to $5. And now we just want to see which option here for our multiple choice matches the inequality that we came up with. And it looks like it is letter A. 0.25x plus 1.15 y is less than or equal to 5. So that is the inequality we got from taking our situation, reading the word problem, and representing it mathematically using a linear inequality. We're going to do the same thing here with Mr. Halpert and his pizza party. So Mr. Halpert is having a pizza party and has a budget of $100. A large pepperoni pizza, X, costs $8. So let's represent that. Pepperoni pizza is X, it costs $8. So that's going to be an 8X. $8 per pepperoni pizza. And a large cheese pizza, Y, costs $6. So let's represent that. Cheese pizza is going to be 6Y. Which linear inequality could be used to best represent the situation? So he has $100, which means his total, however much money he spends, it cannot be more than $100. So again, we're going to have that less than or equal to symbol. So let's see what we have here. We have, it's $8 per pepperoni pizza, so 8x, because we're buying pepperoni pizzas. And, so we're going to represent that with a plus sign. We're also buying cheese pizzas, so $8 per pepperoni pizza plus $6 per cheese pizza has to be less than or equal to $100 because that's his budget. We cannot be more than $100. It can be exactly $100 or it can be less, but it cannot be more. And here this inequality is letter